Calles in Baliwag is one of those places na para kang nag-time travel pabalik ng 1950s. From the exterior to the interior, mai-inlove ka how they have preserved the vintage details while still creating a warm and welcoming dining experience. It was our venue for our Bulacan Vlogger social event a week ago, and we've been through a lot of events na, pero this was the first time na nagbonding kami over board games. Kaya thank you so much to Bulacan Board Games Club. Ang sayang makita ng competitive side ng mga BB members. At alam niyo ba, for only 5,000 pesos for the first 4 hours, meron na silang wide selection of board games at meron na din niyang kasamang professional game masters. We also have Text as our partner for that event. Isa itong Filipino-owned logistics company like Grab or Foodpanda. But what stands out to me is that they offer pasabay or uto services at a flat rate of only 15 pesos. Kaya naman, suportahan natin ang sariling atin. Download Text app today. This social event is not always about creating content. It's also about building friendship, catching up with one another, and simply enjoying each other's company. We also had the privilege of learning from our guest speakers, Kuya Dex, who shared valuable insights about content creation. It was inspiring, informative, and a great reminder that there's always something new to learn as creators. Well, now let's talk about the food. Caliaso offers a good mix of Filipino favorites and international dishes, so there's something for everyone. But out of everything I tried, these were my personal favorites. Porch's flatbread, tinapa Caesar salad, chicken parmigiana and pesto, and tres leches shooters. These are definitely the dishes I'd order again, and with so many more items on their menu that I haven't tried yet, mukhang kailangan ka talagang bumalik. Good thing they also have a branch in Malolos, which is much closer to me. So I guess that's where my next food trip will be. But once again, thank you so much to Kali Jose for hosting our Bulacan Vloggers socials. Thank you to everyone who made the event fun, meaningful, and memorable. Here's to more good food, great company, and unforgettable moments together. Until next time, this is your Bulacan Yung Hilao. See you on our next food trip. Bye!